I'm James Abdelmalik. I'm a California realtor, and I love helping people either sell homes or buy homes. And today, I want to talk to you about my new listing, an amazing investment opportunity in a prime location in Studio City, California. Four-unit townhome, fully furnished with top-of-the-line appliances. Airbnb ready, no rent control, annual gross rental income, net operating income, cap rate. This is a great investment opportunity that doesn't come by often. It is Airbnb ready and equipped. 4 bedrooms in each townhome with 4 bathrooms. And if you want to rent each townhome of the 4 by itself, you can. Let's take a look at those beautiful townhomes. The kitchen is open concepts with an elegant living room. The kitchen comes fully loaded with a brand new state-of-the-art 2-door refrigerator, microwave, stove, oven, dishwasher, and toaster. 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. Each bedroom comes with its own flat screen TV and a new mini fridge. The home comes also with a brand new washer and dryer. The beautiful townhome is also minutes away from Universal Studios, CBS Studios, local restaurants, parks, and many entertainment places near freeways just like 101, 170, and 134. If you want to take advantage of this great opportunity to own an income property that produces a lot of cash flow, call me on the number shown on screen. And if you ever want to sell a home or buy a home or invest in real estate, call me on the number shown on screen. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook business page, James Abdelmalik Realtor. See you in my next video. God bless.